So like that, we lined up. So guys, we're gonna line up this one to this one here. We're gonna line up to there, but this short one here will be connected to this yellow one right here. This short right here connected to the yellow one there, and the long one here come from there to there, will go to this side right here and connect to that. And you have washer here, washer here, washer the outside, washer the outside, and this one right here you have also two washer here. So that's what it's gonna be. So we're putting the ram back on right there and right there. Okay guys, we got already this one right here on my hand connected. Remember this one right here, see, right here to here. See the hose, the short hose coming from there, got it connected already here back to that, right? We already got that one connected. Now we only have one left right here, the long one. But before we do this long one right here, to put it right there connected to that, if you see it connect to that, we need to make sure this hole here line up to here, and we have the spacer right here. So now we got to put this lock washer, called it an washer right there, and this one together here. I'm hoping that will be the right angle. Then I'm gonna prop up a little bit with my, where's my wood right here, just to stay in place. Then I pound it. So that's when I see it's lined up there, then I pound the pin with the slits hammer right here. See that? Now it's through a little bit, so I make sure I pound this one back in place. Make sure that it's in the right place. As you see it here, if I can show you, see, it's already lined up right there. See that? So all you need to do is keep pounding it to make sure it's going there out. So I got to try to wedge this wood right here, so that when I see right there, I wedge that wood so that when I pound this one, it doesn't move this way. Keep it in place. Anything you can do to prop those things there to not to move when I bang this thing. Now it's, whoo, camera. You see that? It's the way in. See? See? A little bit more. See that? Back. Really get the pinhole out. See that? Okay, now it's done. Right there. See that? So you see it right here. I'm gonna show you a minute here. If you can wait for a second. Right there, I got this one out. See, this is your pinhole right there. See how it looks over here. See that? Looks like on the top. See, I got to put the last washer here. This is the last washer there, the smaller size compared to this one. So there's this larger size See this one, the pin right there, then the washer, smaller washer compared to this, then another one that is bigger, the other one there, and the last washer here, and I'm gonna put my pin right there. So that's what we did. So remember, I got connect race hose right here, and see the hose is going towards there, up there, and I connect it towards here. Then the other one, see the short one, you see it slightly under here, so I connect that to here before I put my ram back in here. So all we got to do is put this one in place and tighten everything in place, and it should be good right here. Tighten that to secure the over there. See the line right there, make sure you put this clamp over here, then tighten this one so that it doesn't move. So clamp in there good. And this one right here, I just put my pin. It's right here on my bucket. Right here. I put this pin here. See that right there? All the way through. And after that, I'm gonna hammer that in here. See if I can do that. I get that one hammered slowly right there. See?